Would you like a simple system for building wealth? Hi, my name is George Escola, and on this video I'm going to show you a simple system that will help you automatically build wealth by saving gold and silver coins on a monthly basis. You can put this whole thing into autopilot and grow your wealth, and if you stay till the end of the video, I'll even tell you how you can earn money while you're building your wealth. The name of the company is 7K Metals, and they have a monthly savings program where you can sign up for an annual membership, and you can also sign up for their monthly savings program. And what you get in your monthly savings program are MS70 coins, and the MS70 is just a third-party grading that's put on the coin. But the MS70 means that it's a mint state, virtually perfect coin. They found no flaws at 5x magnification. So these are beautiful silver luster coins, direct from the mint, given to you at dealer prices, and you can get one or more per month delivered to you automatically. And the MS70 coins are collector coins, so they have, in addition to the intrinsic value of the gold or silver, they also have some collector value, and people will pay a lot of money for some of these older coins that were minted in the past. And of course, future gains are not guaranteed, but the track record for these coins is that they have increased greatly in value over time. So also, as you're building your monthly collection of coins, the company 7K Metals offers a binary compensation plan, which just means that there's a right leg and a left leg, and once you get one person on the right and one person on the left, you reach the rank of associate, and you're eligible for up to $500 per week. Now, the $500 is based on points. You get so many points for people paying their annual membership, and so many points for people buying their coins. And when you accumulate 500 points on the right and 500 points on the left, then they will pay you $500. And if you have enough of a downline to generate that many points every week, you can get paid 500 points every week. Now, as you add more and more and more, there's higher levels that you can rise to, and you could get to 1,000 a week, or 2,000 a week, or even 3,500 a week or more as you build your downline. So that's how this system works. I'm going to put a link below where you can get all the information you need to sign up and jump into this program and start building real wealth, so that no matter what happens to the currency or the economy or the government, you will have a store of wealth to fall back on and be secure in that. So click the link below, get all the information you need, sign up the membership, and I will see you on the inside. Thanks for watching. Bye now.